Okay, well, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world today. As always, I hope you're fitting well. I just wanted to let you know that it's Wednesday, February 18th, and we are about an hour and a half or 2 hours away from Mr. Carney speaking about the Bank of England. And although I've made a few videos leading up to this, we're looking here at the 1 hour candle, and as you can see, these candles are moving. So there's London Open approaching, and European Open is just about to happen, and everyone's waiting for what the Bank of England are going to say, and the pound. I would expect it to move quite a lot. Now, just to give you a bit of perspective on this trade, if I do this, get my screen right here. This is the this is the 4 hour, and this is the 1 hour. So, and this green line here, green horizontal, is where I entered the trade a few days ago now, and I've got a very, very high target on this. High in the sense of I'm going for a big move of 200 pips. Now, as I've said in other videos, I may well change my target depending on what the Bank of England said today. But anyway, the white line here, give a bit of history here, was where I entered a pending trade. The green candle here, these are daily candles now, was obviously where it triggered because that was my order, my sell limit there. And then we've had a few days where it's been in a loss-making situation, but because I'm trading on the fundamentals here and the overall picture, given it a little bit of room to breathe, so the stop loss is up here, and it's very nicely retraced. Today is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, and this was Monday. So the market opened a little bit high. It went up a little bit. This is during the Asian session, but it sure did retreat, and there's no conviction in that move upwards, and the day ended up much lower. Then we had an indecision day yesterday, Tuesday, because they're probably waiting for what's going to happen today, and this is today as we speak, this daily candle here. So the body's very small, meaning very narrow range. The market's waiting, has no idea what Mr. Carney is going to say, and we've got a fair old amount of space here for the chop of the market. Oops, excuse me. And overall, I'm still bullish on the dollar against the pound. And today is a critical day because it would depend very much on what they say, because there will be, depending on the language used, any data shared, it will give us ideas about when interest hikes might happen, how the economy is doing, is the economy neutral, doing badly or doing well, all those kind of things. And depending on how they put it over, it could move the pound a considerable amount. And although we're looking good on this trade at the moment, it might, if there's lots of good news about the economy, then I see this trade as being a loser because the pound will gain in value and will probably be stopped out. I can take quite a bit of chop here, but not too much. But we're about an hour and a half away, I suppose, depending on whether they're on time too, the meeting and the press announcement. But we'll see how this pans out. Certainly if the information is not good, then the pound will, the dollar will increase in value against the pound because people will be buying dollars and this trade will look extremely good then. Okay, let's see what happens. From me, Nick, goodbye and take care.